In this video, I am going to show you how to execute a C program in terminal. So first of all, you'll need to have a C program written on notebook or notepad or any text editor, and then go to terminal. Here locate the file. My C program is in C folder, so I'll just change the directory to C. Now let's see what all are here. Now we have the program called hello world.c. To execute this, you need to have a GCC compiler installed on Ubuntu, and this program already comes, or this compiler already comes pre-installed on Ubuntu. If you don't have, then you can install it. Now for now I have already installed this, so I'll just write GCC and then file name, that is hello world dot c, and then hyphen o, and then the file name or the object file name you want to give, like hello. Here I am going to give hello, and then just press enter. Now the compilation is complete and the file has been saved. Let me show you. Now there is a file called hello, so we can just execute it by giving the command dot slash hello, the file name, and here we got the output hello world. This is the simple process you can follow to execute your C program in terminal or any Linux based operating system.